Hi guys, welcome back to the March issue of Inspiration Moments. Dory Sukup here, welcome. And this is the bright idea for this month. I mentioned it briefly in my intro and in the featured article, but I did this amazing webinar for you called Fall in Love with Change and Make Your Way into Millions. You have got to watch it. It's 1 hour, and I have to say, we had people from all over the world join us. It was a record-breaking Zoom webinar that we did, so you've got to go and watch it. In it, I shared some essential things that you should look at in your business and make the necessary changes so you can step into the millions. As you know, that's the theme of the year for us, stepping into multiple millions, multiple seven figures. And I'm continuing that theme for you every single month. I'm giving you some ideas and strategies to help you keep that momentum going so you can truly step into that. So on this webinar, I shared with all the attendees how some of our VIP members are exceeding even my expectations in their performance and what they're doing. I recognized them for what they did and shared their success stories with you in hope that you get excited, get motivated, get inspired, and you too can do the same thing that they did. Also on the webinar, I talked about how there are two types of business people. There are the people that go around and around and around and around, take the long way to success, or you can be the smart person and just zoom straight up by following a proven effective system that we have and implement, and then voila, success is at your doorstep. So don't be that other type of person. That's not good. You're just wasting your time. I think you should look at the webinar, see how other people have done it, and then take advantage of the super conference ticket special that's in the webinar, where you get we're doing this great event called Super Conference in Dallas, where we're giving buy one ticket, get one free. So make sure you go to the Super Conference page. It's right there on the main page of Inspiration Management, and take advantage of you coming to this event and actually rubbing elbows with all the people that are going to be there, all the VIP members that are going to be there. So we're super excited about this event, and we look forward to seeing you there. So watch that webinar and then save your ticket for the Super Conference. Save your seat for the Super Conference. Until then, stay inspired and stay tuned for the Dory Recommend.